Now on Talking Solutions, we have got a full house. Sheila Gardner is here. Jakayla Rainey. We have Ramona Gantz and her daughter, Aaliyah. Welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This I'm With It Girls Conference, I'm a little bit familiar because I know that we had been able to shine a light on it last year. We're coming up on the 2017 edition next Saturday. Sheila, what exactly is the I'm Worth It Girls Conference?
It's a conference that's based on focusing and equipping the young ladies with the true identity and knowledge of who they are at a young age. That's what we try to do with the conference.
And it's a very important age. In most cases, teenage girls who are at that point of life where they're starting to make some very important decisions about themselves and how they're going to conduct their lives. And from what I understand, you're reinforcing their true value.
Yes, at an early age, and that's why it's important that we started it at age 12, but we have some girls that are younger that attend. For instance, Aaliyah, this is her 5th year and she's 11 this year.
Aaliyah, you started early.
Yeah.
Ramona, what caused you to have your daughter Aaliyah into the conference at that young age?
Well, since I was part of the team, I was there for the setup and the preparation, the planning phases. So when we started planning for the conference, I knew that this was something that I definitely wanted my daughter to be a part of. Even though she was only 6, going on 7 at the time, I just knew that since I was going to be there at the conference, I could kind of regulate if there was something that was, too far stretched for her. But there never was. She was always mature enough and ready to have those conversations, even though she didn't always understand everything at 6 years old.
Aaliyah, you know your worth from a very young age. That's pretty exciting.
Yeah.
We see all too often stories of girls, even local girls, who get involved in situations where their worth is being exploited, not celebrated.
Right.
Sheila, did you create this girls' conference on your own?
I did. My husband is a pastor, and I'm able to attend many different women's conferences and things of that nature. I attended one girls' conference in particular, and through that conference, God did something in me, and I didn't realize that that's what was going on at the time. And then I heard this song titled The Worth in Me. It just birthed something in me, and I decided to do the I'm Worth It Girls Conference. Through that song, he saw the worth in me when no one else could see. Tell him to look on you, and he'll see what's inside you, too.
I like those lyrics.
Yeah.
So the I'm Worth It Girls Conference has been going on now for how many years?
This is our 5th year, Terry.
I'm sure you're seeing it grow.
Yes. We have almost 200 girls every year. This year, looking for 250. We're looking to exceed that, and I believe that we will.
We'll give people information so that they can still get involved in next Saturday's event. Jakayla, you've been keeping me up on things. I know we've been talking on the phone. I get to finally meet you in person today.
Yeah.
You are well aware of what is involved with this IWI Girls Conference.
The theme is Are You Ready? And it's going to be $25 if you register online at lifechangerslv.org or just call 702-324-5654, or you can go on Facebook at I'm Worth It LV. Even if you decide to just stop by the event, which is going to be located at God's House International Ministries, 1072 West Bartlett Avenue, Las Vegas, Nevada, 89106. If you want to stop by, it's $30 at the door.
Get the tickets in advance. It's $25.
Yes.
At the door, it's $30. This is a 501c3 charity.
Yes,
Correct.
it is.
Yeah.
What exactly is going to happen next Saturday for the girls who are in attendance?
An awesome day. Every girl, when she enters the conference, she usually receives a tiara, but we have a different theme this year, so we're going with a different gift that they'll receive when they come through the door. I don't want to tell everything because it's a surprise. She'll receive that gift when she comes through the door, and then we have continental breakfast, games and prizes. We have an extreme makeover where one young lady will win, and it's a surprise. She doesn't know until she gets there that she's the winner, and that makeover is from head to toe, her hair, her nails, her feet, and outfit, makeup, everything. We have an I Work It fashion show, which Jakayla and Aaliyah have been a part of, and Aaliyah will be a part of it this year. We have a purity vow ceremony. The girls will receive rings, and they promise to save themselves until marriage. We have a Nail It to the Cross, where the young ladies nail to the cross anything that they're free from or want to be free from. It's a power-packed day full of inspiration, motivation. They should leave there feeling empowered that they can do anything that God says that they can do, and they can be who God says that they are, and that they're not living their lives based on what the world says, but what the Word of God says about them.
It's got to be a great bonding opportunity for all the girls who are involved.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it is. It's a great bonding opportunity. A lot of the girls meet friends. They come back every year. At the end of the day, they have testimonials where they talk about how they were changed. They say they enjoy the testimonies and the food the most. We provide lunches, and we have young ladies that come and testify and give their stories of what they've gone through in their lives, how they made it through and their lives were changed. We want the girls to know that maybe what they've gone through is not a death sentence, but they can overcome it. They can get back up and start all over again, how God can just put the pieces back together. That if we can interject that in them at a young age, then they don't have to go through as much and have so many stumbling blocks and the speed bumps. They can learn how to go over them smooth, and they'll know that whatever trial, whatever issue, dilemma that comes up in their life, that it's not too big to where God can't forgive them or where they can't heal from it.
We're talking about the I'm Worth It Girls Conference today on Talking Solutions. Sheila Gardner is with us. Also have Jakayla, Ramona, and Aaliyah. Aaliyah, I think it's really interesting because you started at a very young age, but you now have been part of the I'm Worth It Annual Girls Conference for 5 years. You've got that unique perspective. As an attendee, does it change from year to year? It doesn't ever get boring, right? Or else you wouldn't be there.
It never has gotten boring to me. Always something different. Each year I have a lot more fun than the last, and it just empowers everyone, makes everyone feel special.
How do you feel at the end of the day?
I definitely feel worth it, and I feel like I had a great time.
So it's a one-day event. There's still room to get involved with this wonderful 501c3 charity. It is the I'm Worth It Annual Girls Conference. It's coming Saturday the 19th. All the info, the links, phone numbers on our Talking Solutions Facebook page, along with a podcast of our discussion today. Are there any other highlights?
The fashion show that is awesome.
Are you part of this? Yes.
I was last year, and all the ladies, we get dressed and show our style. So, yeah, expect a lot of stuff.
So we got continental breakfast, we got lunch, fashion show, all kinds of different presentations, I'm thinking.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Ladies sharing their testimony.
Mm-hmm. Singing, praise dancer, a spoken word, a skit. It's a power-packed day full of nuggets, so you never know really what's going to be coming next. Nonstop from 9 until 3.
Pretty much all day.
It's an exciting day. It's like a girls' conference on steroids.
$25 if you line up your ticket in advance, or $30 at the door. Either way, it sounds like you get a lot out of this girls' conference.
You do.
We always ask, as part of Talking Solutions, what can we do to help you?
Just get the word out as much as you can. We want as many young ladies to come as they can. We've partnered with some of the girls' homes here. We have some sponsorship available, so we are trying to get as many of them to come that we can, because it's important that, especially young ladies in those situations, that they understand their worth and their value, and then maybe that can turn around their situation for them from being in those girls' home and give them some hope and some light at the end of the day.
That would be especially important because those are girls who are already facing some very difficult circumstances.
Yes, that's our desire. That's our goal. Some of the girls at the end of the conference, one of the mothers said that my daughter slept in her crown.
I love that.
Yeah, and at the end of the conference, we interviewed some of the girls, and one of the young ladies said, now I know that I don't have to be skinny to be pretty. Yeah. They say, well, now I know my self-worth. Now I know my value. And then when we do the Nail It to the Cross ceremony, some of the things they post up on the cross, they say, well, now I can forgive my dad for what he did. It creates a safe place for them to share so that they don't feel alone in their dilemma and their issue, so they know that they're not by themselves, and that we partner with them throughout the year and let them know that any of the young ladies on our team or any of the panel of speakers, they're available for them. So it's not just a one-day conference, but it's continual. We're servants. That's what we're called to do.
Sheila, it seems like in these days where social media is everything, and it's all about paparazzi and celebrities and reality shows where all that matters is money, appearance, and fame.
Right.
You're bringing it back to being real.
Yes.
And saying that those things do not matter.
No. Mm-mm. That's our desire through this conference, that they measure themselves by their true worth and their value. When you know who you are, nobody can take that away from you. No matter what happens, no matter what you go through in your life, no matter what you're handed, when you know who you are, when you know your true value and your self-worth, that speaks to the multitudes. I don't even have words to describe it. When you know that, nobody can take that away from you.
You are helping girls at their most vulnerable stage of life.
Yes.
I always say that the teen years are tough, even if you have everything on your side.
Yes.
Girls who are also facing other challenges.
Yes.
It's that much harder.
It is. And some of the speakers' topics that we've had, teenage pregnancy, sex trafficking, bullying, fighting your fears, several topics. We try to just touch on all of them. Like Aaliyah said, you asked what keeps her coming back every year and is it boring? We try to make it relevant. We try to see what's popular so that we can appeal to them at their ages. So it's not just about what we want to do as older young ladies. We want to appeal to the younger ladies so that they want to keep coming back. So we make it relevant to them so they're excited about coming back every year to look and see what we're doing for the year.
And that's what you're seeing, isn't it? You're seeing repeat visitors to each I'm Worth It Girls conference.
Repeat, and they bring their friends. And then I've even had some parents that have come to drop their daughters off. And one parent came in and she observed and she saw everything. She turned around and went back out to the registration table and said, I'm staying. And she registered and put on her T-shirt.
You know, it wouldn't hurt for any woman of any age to be reminded they're worth it.
Yes, I've had several women tell me that this conference was for me. I know you said that it's a girls' conference, but it's for me. And they've been there every year as well.
Well, and that's the whole point, isn't it? That you are relating one-on-one to each girl, each woman, each young woman, reinforcing their value, how precious they really are.
Yes, that's our goal, Terry, every year, that we want somebody to leave there changed with a self-awakening, a self-awareness of who they are. And if we can do that, then you can go back and operate more whole in order to do what God has called you to do, to bring someone else in and to help them realize their self-worth and their self-value.
It's coming up next Saturday, the 19th. It is the I'm Worth It Girls Conference, 501c3 charity. $25 if you line up your attendance in advance if you come up to the door the day of. $30 either way. The lessons that you're sharing are worth so much more than that. They're priceless.
Priceless.
Is there anything I'm forgetting?
No, just be excited. It's not like any other conferences, because it is a lot of conferences going on. And like you said, they're like dedicated to money and fame and all that. But get in touch with yourself, like deep inside. Trust me, it's beautiful.
You got a lot of stuff coming up on Saturday.
Yes.
The I'm Worth It Girls Conference. It grows every year. Sheila, you were saying you had about 200 last year, hoping for 250. Who knows? You probably have room for all kinds of young ladies.
Yes, it's a diverse conference, multicultural. I like to call it a citywide gathering. We're appealing to the masses.
And it's happening next Saturday, the 19th.
Registration and continental breakfast is from 8 to 9, and we kick off at 9 o'clock, and we're going full speed ahead from 9 until 3.
Get all the information, links, and everything on our Talking Solutions Facebook page, along with a podcast of our discussion today. Sheila Gardner, Jakayla Rainey, Ramona Gantz, and her daughter, Aaliyah. The I'm Worth It Girls Conference. Thank you so much, ladies, for joining us today on Talking Solutions.
You're so welcome.